Hey, so this is going to be the review for the technical assessment. Basically, I'm going to go point by point, but by the requirements. So first of all, whenever an administrator is going to log in into the application, you will be able to see the list or the planets of the galaxy. I decided to use cards so I can include a little bit of information, and this is going to be looking, I think, better than just a regular list. We have the capability of being able to search a planet by its name. So, as you can see, the planets are going to change. We will be able also to filter by different kind of terrains. What else? Ocean, mountains, I don't know. We will be able to clear these filters also by climates, and the filter is going to be working. I also included a clear filters in order to be able to clear all the filters if we need it. And yeah, in this I included like a theme toggle and a sidebar. This is going to work also responsive for different screen size, even small screens. So now we need to navigate to planet details. So whenever you click on a card, you will be able to see relevant information with formatted numbers, formatted strings or values, the residence for each planet, and then by residence we are getting the transactions. We will be able to filter by the different currencies. This is made with the custom select from HTML select. I will be able to clear the filter to have all of this. I included also to the button that is going to block all in progress transactions. So as you can see, it changed to blocked, and I included some summaries for the totals with the exchange rate that is going to change every 2 seconds. And we have like some summaries about how much is every resident doing here. This is also going to work responsive. Um, I'm sorry. This is going to be scrollable and it's not going to mess with the other one. And then we have different values over here. And this is going to be changing for different sizes also. I included a navigation bar with as the users, as I think we were going to use some user component in order to be able to see the residents and probably have some users mm, details too. And I included some navigation uh, utilities like clicking on the home and clicking on the planet will take us to the components that we need. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. No, I wanted to share a little bit of the structure that I decided to go with. With the APIs, I used React Query and I created like different queries based on the clients that were provided. So I created like clients for every single request that was given. And then I created some queries and mutations in order to be able to um, transform the data or fetch the data. Yeah, so basically this is how I use it. I also created some components like uh, that we're going to use be used in general uses, like the custom select that was required to be written with TypeScript and with the select. Also, I included some custom CSS for the custom select, some fallbacks whenever we have empty tables or that kind of behaviors, the table search, and the theme toggle. The layout was made for the main layout using the app shell from the UI library, and yeah, basically I use the planets in and users as pages, which are going to be needed. I mean, match the routes as features or components that we need to navigate to. So as you can see, I divided like the UI with the use of the logic and the fetching. So in the hook for the component, I will fetch the data, and I created some components that are for specific for this for the component, like doing it modular. Whenever we go to the planet details, which is a partial of the planets, I mean, I decided to go with the same. Whenever I needed to declare some constants, the logic is going to use the planet details hook. Here is going to be fetching the information with the queries, React queries, and in order to be able to change the transactions, I use a local state for the transactions, so I can change it in the user interface for blocked. Mm, and yeah, I was using also model components for the planet details, which are specific, like the custom select and the transactions table or the residence charts. Um, and yeah, so this is just a snippet for I mean a sneak peek for the code. I use a snackbar provider, which is going to tell notifications whenever we execute the mutation for the transactions. I used like also providers for the whole application instead of just having it on the app on the main thing. The blobs is just some to make it pretty. The user interface whenever we are in the screen, like the moving blobs in the background. What else? Also, I created the router with the version 6 of router DOM. Some well at the server I just moved it to its independent folder. I decided to export some types in order to have string typing in the components and some utilities to format some strings. So yeah, this is the review of the code and of the interface. Thank you very much.